Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to take your dry gel liner from this to this. If it sounds like something you're interested in, then please keep watching. So this is an abandoned old gel liner that I've been using for a while, and now it's completely dried up and flaky. I'm going to be showing you guys how it can be reused and made creamy again. First off, you'd have to get a bowl and a really hot water. You would also spray it with any makeup finishing spray. I used the Kiss Beauty, and I'm so sorry I did that off camera. Just 2 drops would be enough, and then you immerse it into the hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure that the lid is tightly closed before immersing it into the water, so as to prevent water from entering into the gel liner. And once the time is up, you can take it out and probably allow it to settle so it doesn't get to burn your hand. And voila, this is what you would get. Your gel liner is ready to be used and made creamy. Like I said, this used to be an old gel liner. I tried this method with my most recent gel liners and I got an amazing result, and I decided to film the process for you guys using this very old gel liner. Just look at that, guys. Look at how black it looks. With just 2 ingredients, a certain spray and a very hot water, you can achieve that. So yeah, these are my most recent gel liners that I used this same method for, and it came out really nice. I'll be swatching it onto my hand so you would see the outcome. It's super creamy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.